Hello guys, this is my bird. Yeah. Hey Mango, look at me, Mango, Mango. Look at me, Mango, Mango. This is Mango. Yep, that's Mango. Say hi, Mango. Mango, say hi. Yeah, she can't do tricks yet. That's why today, guys, we're going to try and help her do some tricks. Now, if I try and show you me, I will be in trouble, so yeah. Guys, I'll be back. Just a second.
Siobhan, what the kids really nice present.
Guys, so these are my presents I got. This is the bird seed. Now let's get the bird seed. Let's go.
That's where they're going to go. Inside. You're right, not really.
The house is a bit messy because we haven't been here. Okay. Guys, this is Mango. Say hi, Mango. Yeah, I know I already showed you that. Don't do that. But yeah, let's get some treats. Mango, you want some treats? Mango, you want some treats? Come on. Have some rainbow pellets. Come on, have some rainbow pellets. Take one. Come on, take one. Take one. Sorry, she wouldn't take them. It's raining rainbow pellets. Okay, guys, yeah. So this is my bird, Mango. Mango, sit. Yeah, she can't do anything. I know Mango wants it because she is, Yeah, I'll be back. Just stare at the bird. Yeah, so guys, look at my bird. She came from Mexico. And if she fluffs up, that means she likes you. Fluff up, Mango, fluff up. Thanks. If you please do slap that like button. Oh, I'm not gonna say that, but this is my nice little bird. Thank you guys. Now I'm gonna edit this soon, so